future of domestic electrical systems will likely involve significant changes focusing on modularity, self-generation, and sustainability. The electrical systems will employ modular devices that eliminate the need for wiring within walls. These devices will be connected via bus bars, allowing for easy modifications and replacements. This modular approach will enable faster installation, easier maintenance, and greater flexibility in home electrical configurations. Electrical components, such as switches and plugs, will become customizable to match room decor. They will be interchangeable plug-in devices, enhancing aesthetic appeal. This design will allow residents to easily update or change the look of their electrical fixtures without the need for extensive rewiring. Homes will incorporate self-generating electrical equipment, including fuel cells, solar panels, and inverter systems. This will reduce reliance on the grid and lead to the removal of many power poles. Self-generation will increase energy independence and reduce carbon footprints. Electrical systems may no longer require grounding, as modular devices and non-conductive walls will eliminate the risk of electrical shocks. This shift would simplify installation and reduce the complexity of electrical systems. Utility companies might offer rental services for solar panels. In case of unpaid bills, they will erect a shield to cover the panels, preventing homeowners from accessing the electricity generated. This arrangement would allow homeowners to benefit from solar energy without the upfront investment, while providing utility companies with a means of managing non-payment. Both alternating current and direct current electricity will power home equipment, providing flexibility and compatibility with a wider range of devices. This dual power source capability will accommodate the growing number of direct current powered devices, such as electronics and light-emitting diodes, light bulbs, and reduce energy conversion losses. Safety features will be integrated into modular devices to prevent electrical hazards. These features may include surge protection, arc fault detection, and ground fault interrupters. Smart home integration will allow for remote control and monitoring of the electrical system. This integration will enable homeowners to optimize energy usage, control lighting and appliances, and receive alerts about potential electrical issues. Sustainability will be a key factor, with emphasis on energy efficiency and renewable energy sources. This emphasis will drive the adoption of energy-efficient appliances, smart home technologies, and renewable energy systems. The transition to modular electrical systems with self-generation and dual power sources will require new standards and regulations to ensure safety and interoperability. These standards will need to address issues such as voltage levels, current limits, and communication protocols. Electricians and other professionals will need to be trained on the installation, maintenance, and repair of these new systems. This training will ensure that they have the skills and knowledge necessary to work safely and effectively with modular electrical components. The cost of modular electrical systems and self-generation equipment will need to decrease to make them accessible to a wider range of homeowners. This cost reduction can be achieved through economies of scale, technological advancements, and government incentives. The widespread adoption of modular electrical systems with self-generation and dual power sources will have a significant impact on the environment, the economy, and society. This impact will include reduced carbon emissions, increased energy independence, and greater resilience to power outages. The future of domestic electrical systems is likely to be characterized by increased modularity, self-generation, and sustainability. These changes will improve energy efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and enhance the safety and convenience of home electrical systems. As technology continues to advance, we could expect even more innovative solutions to emerge in the field of domestic electrical systems. These innovations will further transform the way we generate, distribute, and use electricity in our homes. Firstly, the shift towards modular electrical systems will necessitate the development of standardized interfaces and connectors. This standardization will ensure that different modular components from various manufacturers can be easily interconnected and integrated. Secondly, the use of bus bars for power distribution will require careful consideration of current carrying capacity and voltage drop. The bus bars will need to be sized appropriately to handle the expected electrical loads and minimize voltage losses. Thirdly, the integration of self-generating power sources, such as solar panels and fuel cells, will require sophisticated control systems to manage power flow and ensure grid stability. These control systems will need to be able to seamlessly switch between different power sources and optimize energy usage. Fourthly, the elimination of grounding will require the implementation of alternative safety measures, such as double insulation and ground fault circuit interrupters. These measures will protect against electrical shocks in the absence of a traditional grounding system. Fifthly, the rental of solar panels by utility companies will necessitate the development of new business models and regulatory frameworks. These models will need to address issues such as pricing, maintenance, and ownership of the solar panels. Sixthly, the use of both alternating current and direct current power in homes will require the installation of hybrid inverters and converters. These devices will convert power between alternating current and direct current as needed to supply different types of loads. Seventhly, safety features will need to be integrated into modular devices to prevent electrical hazards. These features may include overcurrent protection, surge suppression, and arc fault detection. Eighthly, smart home integration will require the development of secure and reliable communication protocols. These protocols will enable remote control and monitoring of the electrical system while protecting against cyber attacks. Ninthly, sustainability will need to be a key consideration in the design and operation of modular electrical systems. This consideration will include the use of recycled materials, the minimization of energy consumption, and the reduction of waste. Tenthly, the widespread adoption of modular electrical systems will require public education and awareness campaigns. These campaigns will inform homeowners about the benefits of modular electrical systems and how to use them safely and effectively. The transition to modular electrical systems will also create new opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. Companies will be able to develop and market new modular electrical components, smart home technologies, and renewable energy systems. This innovation will drive economic growth and create new jobs in the electrical industry. Furthermore, the increased use of self-generation will reduce reliance on centralized power plants and improve the resilience of the electrical grid. This resilience will be particularly important in the face of extreme weather events and other disruptions. In addition, the elimination of grounding will simplify electrical installations and reduce the cost of electrical work. This simplification will make it easier for homeowners to make electrical repairs and upgrades themselves. Moreover, the rental of solar panels by utility companies will make solar energy more accessible to low-income households. This accessibility will help to reduce energy poverty and promote energy equity. The adoption of both alternating current and direct current power in homes will improve the efficiency of electrical systems. This improvement will reduce energy waste and lower electricity bills. Ultimately, the future of domestic electrical systems is likely to be one of increased automation, intelligence, and sustainability. These advancements will transform the way we live and work and create a more sustainable future for all.